What is meant in certain parts of the Holy Quran where Allah uses I, my and me, and in other places He uses we, our and us.
You see, the same is true of many governments. The Prime Minister says I, but the Supreme Head, virtually Supreme Head, or not virtually but nominally the Supreme Head, which is Queen, who used to be the real monarch in older days, uses the term we for us. And when she says we, she does not mean that she has become plural suddenly. What she means is that the entire people of Britain are with me when I say we. So this is exactly the style of God's addresses. When He speaks of things where He wants people to realize that the entire creation of Allah is with Him in the matters which He is expressing under the word we, then He uses that. When it is only to pay emphasis on His unity, then most often, as He does, He uses I in singular for Himself. Thank you.